Okay, this has me a little baffled. Here is the windshield info on the front, and it's on the inside. It's dark. I assume this is a aftermarket replacement. Not quite sure. Driver's side. This is etched on the outside. This one's on the outside, outside. Those all look stock. This one's on the outside, stock. Come around to the passenger side, and it's on the inside, and it's reversed when looking at it from the outside. It's hard to pick it up. And so is this little window. It's on the inside here, and it's on the inside on the front window. No, this one's on the outside. So the two front windows, the window information is etched on the outside, but these three windows, it's on the inside. I don't know why there would be a difference between the passenger side and the driver's side. Curious if any other Armada owners, as this is a 2020, if theirs is the same.